How hobby drones are being effectively used drop grenades. In this video, Ukrainians demonstrate how they adapted a hobby drone to perform a surprise attack. The grenade is shown being dropped through the sunroof of a Russian automobile, with many individuals leaving the area. Drones equipped with mechanisms for dropping small grenades are being used by the Ukrainians to assault small groups of Russian soldiers from the air. They turned it into a military weapon by adding 3D printed fins and using the munition from an AG-17 grenade launcher. Some people believe the drone that dropped the munition in question is the Phantom III, which is capable of carrying heavier loads and could manage a 350-gram grenade. Apparently a cheap custom drone. Some belief about the Mavic 3, but rather it is the Phantom III, it is more load-bearing. Homemade reset mechanism provides high accuracy, see the video. And online shooting allows to conduct reconnaissance. It turns out a cheap and effective weapon against individual soldiers. Small commercial drones and effective bombs are being tailored in incredible ways. That may be why DJI Mavic drones are not allowed to be sold in China. DJI said on April 27, 2022, that it will temporarily halt operations in Russia and Ukraine to ensure that its products are not used in combat.
Please subscribe.